Introducing our newly redesigned Padu website. This website contains total of 4 pages. First thing first, when we click Daftar Sekarang button, a small latest information box will pop out. Next page is Pengenalan. Here we have a brief explanation about this website on how it works. When we scroll further, there are objectives and goals of Padu. Bottom of the page, we have included our collaboration partners. In this page, there is no functional button. Moving on to the next page is the Soalan Lazim page. Here we have included frequently asked questions by the website users. When we click on every button, answer bar will be shown. If we scroll down further, we can be exposed to tutorial videos on how to use Padu for each needs. Each button have different tutorial that will bring us to YouTube page. And our last page is Hubungi Kami page. Here we have included important informations of Padu, such as address and contact number. Other than that, we have created a button. When we click on it, it will bring us to complaint page. Users can contact Padu if they are facing problem regarding Padu registration matter or others. Another button is for the users to check their complaint status. On the bottom right of the page, we have included Padu social media accounts. If we click on each icon, such as Facebook and X, it will bring us to Padu social accounts. On the top right of the page, search bar will be shown when we click on the search icon. And that is all about Padu website. Thank you for watching.